Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and here we have the OPPO Reno11Pro 5G, and this is a new released model from OPPO. And as we know, the Reno series is a cost-effective about middle end, but the design and the appearance of this series is really attractive and very beautiful. So today I'm going to have a very simple unbox video about this new model from OPPO. And yes, today we have the OPPO Reno11Pro 5G, the Moonlight Gemstone color, and this time to provide four colors: obsidian black, floral light, turquoise. So this is the one of my favorite color. And today we have the 12GB RAM plus 512GB ROM. So next, okay, let's unbox it and let's check how this phone looks like and the main features about this device. So it's have a very standard simple design, the box. And okay, next, whoa, let's open it. So after we open it, here we find another box. Let's open it. So okay, so here inside this we have this is a kind of gift card, and provide some exclusive package gift card if you buy the TWS, and also quick start for a smartphone. Yes, basic introduction. And also here is a SIM card ejector, SIM card slot. Okay, and also they provide a transparent plastic case. So this is all stuff inside this box. So next, let's go to the smartphone. So after under the small box, we find the phone is just in front of us, and it is well protected by I think this is not plastic, it's kind of a special paper. I will put it aside first, and then we can go to check the other stuff like accessories under the smartphone. So okay, here cable. Yes, it's a it's a type C to USB cable here. Okay, and then the charger. It's a 100-watt charger for the Pro edition. Pro Watt is used 100 watt. And this time for the battery is used 4700 battery, and also the charger is 100 watt. So for the charging and the standby time, I think it's nice. So this is the stuff. I think all the stuff inside the box. Okay, let's close it, put it here, and go to the smartphone. Whoa. So now smartphone is here. Let's get it out. Whoa. Nice, gorgeous. Back panel is so unique, and it's all shining. It's matted, kind of matted glass, but from the official new information, we know they use a special kind of technology. For all the as far as I see, for all the Reno series smartphones, they have a very special design for each generation smartphone. So this time they provide a very unique for the textures, like the glacier texture from the ice mountain. So this is very unique, different angles. Some part is shining, some part is matted, and when I touch it, I can feel it's not so flat, so smooth, but very comfortable, not easy to left your fingerprint on it. So this is about the back panel, and also here's the overall camera zoom. 1, 2, 3 triple ray camera system, the LED flashlight. Also they provide more information about the camera here. Here information we can check. f2.2 1.6 mm, and also f1.8 24 2.4 mm, and also here spherical lens. Spherical lens. Yes, this is very nice design, and I really like it. Front wake up screen. Oh, cover screen. Punch hole. Very nice. And this time, yes, for the screen it used a 6.74 inch OLED curved screen. Yes, and it supports 120 Hz refresh rate, and the display resolution is 1.5K, and the peak brightness reached to 1600 nit. It's very nice. But if it's compared to another device I reviewed recently, I think the screen is just a so-so. Yes, it's this one, the Redmi K70 Pro. They use the 2K screen, and they support also 120 Hz refresh rate. The peak brightness is 4000, but it's a straight screen, not a curved screen. Yeah, you can choose which one you like, but for the screen I think this one is much better. And also the back panel, as I talked about, is used also kind of glassy, or we call it silk feeling back panel, also very beautiful. Yes, so okay, let's go back to the OPPO Reno11 Pro, and this is about the screen. And also for the processor, we can go to the settings, check the information about the smartphone, about the device. Yes, Snapdragon 8 Generation 1 processor, Snapdragon 8 Plus. So if it's compared to the Redmi K70 Pro, it used the Snapdragon 8 Generation 3 processor. So it's okay. For the processor, it's a bit loose on this part, and also battery information here, screen information here, RAM and ROM information here. And for the camera, 62 megapixel front, rear 50 megapixel, 8 megapixel, and 32 megapixel. 50 megapixel is from the wide angle IMX 890, and 32 megapixel for the portrait, and also for the wide angle also support 112 degrees. Oh, yeah, nice. So this is about the main specification, and also, as I mentioned, about the design. I think the Reno11 Pro is a bit better than the K70 Pro, Redmi K70 Pro. But if you talk about the specifications, I think Redmi, yes, is better on this part. Also, the other framework, no, it's also shining framework. If we compare it with this, if I hold it, I can feel that the Redmi K70 Pro is much thick, and also the the feelings we get is can conduct the temperature much cool if I put my hand onto it. If here for the Reno11Pro, it's a bit thinner, and also the framework is not so cool when I hold it. And size almost same. Covered. Wake up. Yes. Okay, so this is about the OPPO Reno11Pro, and it's used the Snapdragon 8 Plus Generation 1 processor, but it also can meet most of your daily life needs. And if you change it to 60 FPS for the screen, it can also get a very good performance if you play games. And also for the portrait, for the OPPO, they have 32 megapixel portrait lens. So this is pretty cool for take pictures for the person, for people, yeah. And also for the battery, it's normally within 30 minutes you can charge it from 0 to fully charged to 100%. This is also very nice. And at the last, I'm going to have a very simple camera test on the OPPO Reno11Pro. So here, put it here. An angle 2 times, 5 times. Okay, I put some pictures at the end of the video. Some pictures. What angle? Normal mode. Yes, so this is a quick and fast unboxing video about the Reno11Pro 5G. So make a comment, let me know your thoughts on this. Okay, nice design and cost-effective smartphone from OPPO Reno. And for this price, it's a bit cheaper than the Redmi K70 Pro, but also it have a I think very good specifications. So thanks for watching. Let's stay tuned waiting for more cool gadgets from here. Bye bye.